Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Charlotte Tilbury is finally here at Mecca, Australia, and I'm super excited to do a review on some of her product that I've picked up. I've got the Light Wonder, I've got the Airbrush Flawless Finish, I even picked up the Airbrush setting spray. Also I picked up the Pillow Talk Matte Revolution in Pillow Talk. And last but not least, I also picked up the Magic Cream in the smaller size. If you guys are wondering how this product works on my acne-prone, dehydrated and sensitive skin, and if these products are worth your money, then keep on watching. As always, if you guys are new here, hi, my name is Rosie. I am a beauty content creator on Instagram. Make sure to consider subscribing to this channel and hit the bell to get notified every single time I post a new video. Now let's get back to the video. So yeah, first of all, I like to talk about the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Cream. I thought I'll try a small size, the smallest size, which is 15 ml, because I'm also wondering whether it has a strong fragrance, because I can be quite sensitive to heavy fragrance, so that's why I was very reluctant to get the bigger size, so I got the smaller one. For the 15 ml, which is this size, is $45. For the 30 ml is $90. The 50 ml is $125. I also found out that the 50 ml got a refillable. The pot itself is retailed for $112, and so you're saving a bit of money, which is $13. So this product is intended to prep and transform your skin. I looked up at the ingredient list of this product, and I can see there's some good peptides to help with anti-aging, fight against bacteria, pollution, UV rays, and other toxins. There's some also good antioxidants such as vitamin C and E to brighten your skin. There's also hyaluronic acid to boost your hydration, shea butter to give you that soft and plump skin. I have actually tested this product prior to filming, just to see whether I'm gonna break out, just to see how it feels. Bringing it a bit closer. So this is how the cream looks like. It does have a really nice fragrance. I can't tell what it smells like, but it's very European scent, very refreshing, but also a bit floral. So I'm gonna do this side with the sunscreen, and then this one just by itself. For you guys to know, like I said, I've tested this product for a couple of days just to see whether I'm gonna break out, and I haven't noticed, so far so good. And now I'm gonna use my sunscreen. Okay, next product is the Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Flawless Filter. This is 30 ml for $65. This has a total of 12 shades. So what's intended to do is multitasking glow booster. It's almost like you can use it as a primer, or you can use it as a highlighter. If you use it as a primer, it will give you a bit more of a glow on top of your foundation, or you can even use it on itself. Unfortunately, the shade is a little bit too yellow, but if you guys are wondering which shade to get, I do have quite a fair light skin tone, so for me, when I got shade 3, it does look yellow as you saw on the swatches, but it's still okay because it's not like a foundation, so you can still use number 3 if you still got number 3, but if you don't like it, then go a shade lighter, which is number 2 or even number 1. But honestly, it's still kind of a versatile product that you can try and you can use on any skin tone, but don't go too dark, obviously. So that would be my tips for you guys. So how I like to use it is just apply all over my face. Because it doesn't have a color, I guess, it's more of a glow. So I'm going to use my beauty sponge. See how it gives a nice glow on your skin, so it's very pretty. So you can just wear by itself like this, or just put a bit of a powder on top if you like, but that's how it goes. And actually, I'm actually surprised that it's very glowy today. It could be because of also having the magic cream underneath, so I'm not sure, but this is really a nice, beautiful glow, very flawless. It would definitely help to blur your acne scars like I have myself, so yeah, I'm actually quite impressed. Okay, next product is the Light Wonder. This is the tinted moisturizer. So this is a illuminating lightweight SPF 15 foundation. So the reason why I picked up this one is because I'm very into tinted moisturizer. As you guys can see all my reviews recently, and especially now that Australia is going into summer, so something lightweight like this is more ideal. I personally tried the Airbrush Flawless Foundation, which I got the wrong shade. It's extremely hard to color match your shades online. I tried on Charlotte Tilbury website, I tried on Cult Beauty website, and I still couldn't find the right shade for me. I have a tip for you guys. If you guys can find a YouTuber or someone on Instagram that has a similar shade or similar skin tone as you, then that's your way to color match. Because I've been following Ali, she's a beauty YouTuber, and I've been following her for over a year now. How I was able to match my skin with her is because she used the Estee Lauder, the same shade as me. I bought that Estee Lauder foundation in store, and I swatched it with myself, and then when she mentioned the color shade that she used, and I was like, that's the one I use. And then ever since, I've seen her using different foundation, and I've been interested to try on myself, so I always use the shade that she used. I've been very happy with how it turns out, so that's why this shade I've got from Charlotte Tilbury is the shade 3 Fair, and hopefully it will turn out as good as I hope. So first of all, let's put it on top, on the back of my hand. It's very runny. This is how the shade looks like. See how it's very runny, which is ideal for tinted moisturizer. Okay guys, I am back. So as you guys can see, it really looks really nice on my skin. I actually use a beauty sponge to sort of blend the foundation a little bit better, but yeah, it's really beautiful. It looks really nice, and in comparison to the NARS Pure Radiant Tinted Moisturizer, this is more lighter in terms of consistency and how it feels on the skin. Make sure to also check out my review on the NARS Pure Radiant Tinted Moisturizer. I just recently made a review about it, so make sure to go and check it out when you can. Okay, next product is going to be the Airbrush Flawless Finish Powder. I've been wanting to try her powder because I heard so many great things about it. Like, I heard that it gives you that flawless airbrush finish. I just think that this one has so many great reviews and people love it, so that's why I've been wanting to grab it so badly. The shade I've got is 1 Fair. This is how the shade looks like. It's beautiful. And what I like to do is just go underneath my eyes. I think last time I used powder is when I go to work. It does remove the dewiness that I had earlier. Okay, so I am showing you guys up close with my phone. As you guys can see, it's flawless. It's actually more lighter on the skin. Really nice. I really like how it blurs my pores as well. It's really pretty. And it matches with my skin. Okay guys, I am back with a little bit of colors. I've done my bronzer, I've got my blush from a different brand, so I'm gonna link them in the description box for you guys if you're interested. But yeah, overall so far I really like how my skin looks. Very flawless, very natural. So the next product I like to talk about is the Charlotte Tilbury Lip Cheat Pillow Talk Pencil. I actually bought it a while back, but it's a very nice natural shade. There are actually 17 shades for this range. The price is $35 for 1.2 grams. It says that this is a waterproof lip pencil with 6 hours wear, so I can already tell you guys that I really love this product. Okay, next product is the Matte Revolution in Pillow Talk. This is how the packaging looks like. It's so beautiful. That's how the bullet looks like. It's beautiful. And as you guys can see, next to the lip pencil, it really matches very well. So how do I say the price about this one? This is $49 for 3.5 gram, and there are 20 shades available. So even though it's a matte product, it does have a little bit of a hydrating feeling on the lips, which I think this is really nice. But we'll see how it's gonna last during the day. By the way guys, I know she's got different types of lipstick, but there's also a kissing range, so let me know if you guys are interested for me to try the kissing range, and let me know which shade I should try next. I would love to know what the difference are between the two, but also let me know if you guys are interested on the collagen lip bath, because I heard so many great things about those products. But I just didn't pick it up because I've got too many lip products lately that I just feel like I don't need any more lip products in my collection. So okay, last but not least is the Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray. I heard so many great things about this product, and I'm not a setting spray person, but I think this is gonna work well for the hot summer here in Australia, so that's why I had to splurge myself on this one. If you guys are wondering, the price here is $49 for 100 mils. First of all, let's appreciate the packaging. It's beautiful. Look at this, guys. This is so pretty. So it says here on the website that it's a lightweight, oil-free setting spray. Does it have fragrance? It might. Okay, let's see how it's gonna last and how it's gonna react. Do I need to shake this? It says that it prime sets for up to 16 hours, no melting, no fading, no creasing, instantly lock in your look for makeup, magic that looks just applied. Hold 6 to 8 inches away and mist over entire face before applying makeup. Before and after applying makeup. Maybe I should try that next time. And let's see how the mist looks. Interesting scent. Can't describe. Definitely not like floral. Okay, let's try it on my face now. Ooh, it does have a bit of a cooling effect. Very refreshing. I don't know if I should use a sponge to help. Okay, so this is the finished look. It is now 9:15, so we'll do a wear test and a vlog style check-in, see how all these products work on my skin. I'm very interested how, first of all, the tinted moisturizer would look towards the end of the day, and also how the setting spray is gonna last on my skin and whether I'm gonna have a reaction from it. But so far, I really like how everything turned out on as a finished look. So yeah, I will check back in with you guys in a little bit. Hey guys, so I'm doing my 5-hour check-in. So I can see that the foundation is holding pretty much well. It still feels lightweight, but I do see that my oiliness is sort of coming out, but not as much as bothers me. But yeah, I thought I wanted to point that out because I think the NARS one didn't really make a lot of a difference of a change throughout the day, but this one I didn't even move, I didn't go anywhere, but oiliness is coming out, so I'm not sure what could be doing this, but that's just something to point out. But yeah, I had a bit of a food, so as you guys can see, my lip is still there, the lipstick is still there. I drank water with straw, and yeah, so as you guys can see, it looks like nothing has really changed since this morning. So far I'm really happy with how it looks. I'll probably check back in with you guys when we're back in the studio tonight. So yeah, that's my thought so far. Hey guys, I am back. So it's been over 9 hours ish that I've been wearing this makeup. I did had to touch up a little bit just before we went for a walk this afternoon. So I actually reapplied my sunscreen just before we went for our walk. So I'm not sure if it has created extra dewiness. Now let's have a quick look again up close. So definitely on both sides with the sunscreen and just the cream by itself, the level of dewiness, I like to use dewiness because it's not oily, it's just glowy and dewy. So the level of dewiness on both sides is the same. So the dewiness here I don't really mind, but I do think that it's a little bit too dewy for my liking. So I do have to like use some facial tissue throughout the day to make sure that it's being controlled. But I'm not sure, again, I can't actually point out which product is affecting this dewiness, because everything from the cream to the primer to the setting spray, and then I reapply my sunscreen that also helps with hydration and a little bit of dewiness. It's very hard to pinpoint which one is affecting the excess. The foundation has held up pretty much the entire day, which I am very impressed and pleased with it. And then I actually reapplied the lipstick today before my walk. I just wanted to see whether the reapplication is going to affect the longevity of the product. I do feel like it doesn't dry my lips at all. It feels very comfortable. It still looks really nice. I feel like I didn't need to reapply my lipstick on, but I just wanted to test it out how long and how durable it's gonna last on my lips without making my lip looking dry or chaps or lifting the dry skin. So for me, I'm very impressed with these two products. If I wanted to recommend you guys, it's really up to you whether you want to pay for the lipstick, but for me, I find that the lip pencil is as good as the lipstick, so I will definitely stick with the lip pencil just because it's so much easier to line your lips and just fill in the lips with the pencil, and it just looks like you're using lipstick. So yeah, it's really up to you guys. But the setting spray is a really nice mist. It's got a really nice fragrance, which I'm not sure if I'm gonna break out in the next couple of days. So that is it for this video. I hope you guys find this review useful. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up, and also if you haven't done so yet, make sure to subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell so that you're notified every single time I post a new video. I hope you guys have an amazing day, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.